Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Merciful Fate, and the song that we are going to react to right now is A Dangerous Meeting. It is our first time single take honest reaction to it, and before we begin, we would like to take one moment to wish King Diamond a very happy birthday. Many returns of the day on this day today, 14th of June, 1956 he was born.
Okay, happy birthday to King Diamond, and I'm sure all his fans are rejoicing and celebrating, whether they belong to the Scandinavian part of Europe or anywhere else in the world where fans of King Diamond exist. So this is, it's very late in the evening here in Mumbai already, so we hope we can get it online before it's 12 a.m. In Scandinavia. So A Dangerous Meeting by Merciful Fate. Merciful Fate is a band that once again King Diamond is a main part of.
Vocalist
So let's get started with A Dangerous Meeting. It's for our patron Marco. It's a Patreon request. Check out our Patreon page to learn more about us. The review will be consisting of two parts, as it usually is in almost all our reaction videos. The first part is where we listen to the song along with the intro before the song, and then listening to the song without pausing the music in the middle, listening to it in an authentic, genuine manner as a music lover would. That's what we are, Kirti and me. By hobby, by vocation, we are music lovers. By profession, we are counselors, teachers and life coaches, working from home, parents at the same time. We love what we do, whether it's counseling or listening to music that is requested by our patrons. To learn more about us, our background, our profile, or the way we take up requests, you can check out our Patreon page. The tires, our intro video, our profile, all there. Link in the description box below. The second part of the video that we'll be doing is where we review the song. Where we actually share our opinion, our honest, sincere, straightforward, spontaneous, impromptu opinion on what we felt after listening to the song. Yeah, so that's the two parts of every reaction video. It will simplify things for you to understand it much better, because if you're a metal fan, you may be used to only one kind of reactions and you may not even understand what we are doing here. So it's very important to say that our reaction has two parts, not just one part like almost every other reaction channel that listens to music like Merciful Fate on YouTube. So anyway, let's get started. Happy birthday once again, King Diamond. Hope you're having a good time wherever you are in the world.
Yeah.
this was enjoyable to listen to. Not for the lyrics, completely for the vocals and the guitar work in here. The rest of the music was pretty good too, drums as well as the other parts of that were included. But I love the guitar work in this one, especially by Michael Denham. A very good guitar work, one nice solo in there too, which started off before the line was even over. I like that when it's already gets into it before the line is over, it makes it a little bit different from most other guitar solos. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it musically. Vocally, mainly two voices used here by King Diamond. The usual voice, more bass, and then the one which he goes completely high pitched. So mainly two voices he's used here, and we know he's capable of two or three more. So he's well within his, whatever he's used to. Very well done by him and very well done by the guitarist primarily. And lyrically it was okay, nothing much to talk about. The usual Merciful Fate and King Diamond kind of topics which doesn't really interest me unless it's about Ghost, which I like to read about and know about. But in this case I didn't really find
I think it
anything
may have
interesting.
been part of larger concept album, because it's just one bit of it is being discussed over here. The dangerous meeting, people are dying, people were together, they were calling upon something, and then now some of them are dying, etc.
What is your opinion on the song very quickly?
I like the vocals of King Diamond. I mainly look forward to the vocals of King Diamond whenever we listen to Merciful Fate or King Diamond, what all you get to hear. It's more entertaining and interesting. And then comes the music. For me, music was okay. I've heard better from the
definitely
similar
heard
production
better.
of King Diamond from other albums and all. For me, this was okay. Musically, I would say this wasn't my thing. Much of my thing.
Yeah. Yeah, that's about it for this one, I guess. That's all we have to say. Honest opinion on the music and the vocals. Lyrically, we really don't have much to talk about.
Yeah.
Doesn't seem to go too much into detail, and either ways, it's not a topic that interests me personally to talk about. That's it for this one. Goodbye.
Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Merciful Fate, and the song that we are going to react to is The Afterlife.
Happy birthday to King Diamond. It's his birthday today.
Yes.
And we hope we can get this reaction up on time.
Yeah.
We usually do our reactions 1 or 2 days in advance, considering what all is going on in the world and the unpredictable nature of the internet and other essential services in modern life. So we hope we can get it up before 12 a.m. in Scandinavia, where most of his fans are and he lives. Merciful Fate, The Afterlife.
The Afterlife.
As reactors, we keep our reactions honest, true, sincere every single time. We always make first time single take honest reactions unless we've heard the song before.
Yeah.
So it's always single take, which means we don't pause the song while listening to it. Neither do we pause our recordings. Whatever we say, whatever you see is what you get in real time to you. It's like a live recording. The only thing, it's not coming live to you. It's after we put it together in our frames to organize the video, organize our frame better,
The music.
make it give it a best experience for the viewer and the listener, in case a listener is there too. So that's what we do, and we'll give our review in a pure, raw, authentic, genuine manner. It's always spontaneous, always impromptu, which means we do not do research on the song or the artist or the album before the reaction starts. If somehow we get some info by our patron, we avoid going through it, because that's very important for us to keep our reaction as honest, sincere, pure, raw and genuine as possible. In other words, our reactions are always without preparation. It's always impromptu, which gives a wonderful experience to someone who really wants to hear a genuine opinion of someone else. Someone else who may not be a fan of Merciful Fate, or depending whichever song artist we are listening to, may not be necessarily a fan, may not be attached to a label. We are not paid by labels. We are not label workers,
We don't even
as
have
many
any
of the
contacts.
commenters and some patrons are, which we have found out. So we are not like them. We are completely unbiased, we are from a different side of the world. But yes, we have certain ethical guidelines. We don't love to engage in any reaction video or don't like to listen to songs which promote woman bashing, child abuse, or any other kind of domestic violence
The evils of
or
the
abuse.
society.
Any kind of verbal abuse in excess is not tolerated by us. Drug abuse, alcohol abuse, all these kind of things mentioned in excess or too often, even if it's for a good reason, we don't want to cover it.
No good.
Because it definitely is with a wrong intention in mind. That's what I know as a counselor anyway, with 22 years experience. Having said that, I don't know what this is going to be about. The topic may be about the afterlife, maybe about something else. Either ways, we listen to it and give our reaction as genuinely as possible. Let's get started. Merciful Fate, the afterlife. Yeah.
I like this one. I like this one. There were levels in the music. If you realize, compared to the earlier song that we reacted to, there are different levels. There are layers. There is different arrangement that has to go through, and that's what makes it more interesting, more exciting to listen to. And even the vocals had different range and levels. The falsetto scream, what he is known for, King Diamond, and the other voices that were very very clear, the normal ones, and the scream part. Then the other voice that he uses, that's like we are very used to of, which is the milder, like Missy's voice is Sister Missy. That's her name, right? Yeah. And so about 2-3 voices here by him, and at times I was wondering how does he do it. When he records, he has to re-record the voices that are put together, two of them.
Yeah, if it comes one after the other very quickly,
No,
probably.
it came over each other.
Then it has to be recorded separately.
But I enjoyed this one much better.
Yeah, and musically this was really good. It had those, both the guitarists, lead guitarists, joining in together and guitaring.
Yeah.
So that was really good. The drummer also was involved in it.
Yeah.
Can't really call it a solo because all of them were part of it.
Yeah.
So it was music and not a
Instrumental.
solo. Yeah, it was an instrumental bit. And that was really good. It was
was
enjoyable
good,
to
yeah.
listen to. It went for more than a minute, so it was quite melodious, quite nice, enjoyable, pleasurable even to listen to. And then the vocals, of course, were very good, very, very strong vocals. Reminded me of a couple of other metal bands we have heard in the past. Definitely very similar vocals. Maybe the inspiration for King Diamond, those earlier heavy metal bands that we have heard and which sounded like them. Anyway, that's it for this one, I guess. Anything more you like to say about
the lyrics? See, I
At
think
all?
it was simple. It is somebody who's dead and he's laying in the mortuary, and then he's questioning. He sees people come, a man and a woman, with flowers, and also he's questioning whether he's actually dead or what is happening.
Yeah, he also was asking, do you really care? About.
I don't think he doubts that people cared if he's dead.
Yeah, those lines made me think of the movie Bernie,
Bernie.
starring Jack Black.
Yeah, I know.
It's based on a true story, by
It
the way.
is, yeah.
The person is still in prison, probably.
Yeah, should be.
The
right?
real
Yeah,
Bernie.
Yeah, the real Bernie.
Great movie to watch.
Do you really care? Okay, thank you for watching.